Welcome back to Wicked Auto. Today we are fixing the truck already. So I was trying to back the truck into the garage because I know it does not fit. I just wanted the bed inside the garage. Well, I backed up too far and crushed the driver's side antenna on the roof of the cab. Now I say crushed, all I did was pop the plastic off, but because of that, you have to get a whole new one. Because I'm not trying to have it leak. May not have rained here in Oklahoma in quite a while. I mean, I would guess probably around 2 months to have a good rain. But, of course, this weekend, they're calling for us to get some rain. So we'll actually see. But, so I had to get it fixed. Ordering from Ford directly. Stopped by the dealership, picked it up. This was $73, I believe. That's what it was. And of course the 2 wires that come with it. So we already partially disassembled the cab, like the headliner and stuff to get to this, and let's show you so you guys know how to take this, how to replace this or remove it if you don't want it anymore, because I know there's options to replace these with aftermarket stuff. So let's get into it. Okay, so first remove the seal from around the door jamb. See, I just put it there because I don't want to take off more than I have to. Pull your C-pillar plastic back. Now I will say on the top piece, the very top clip, the alligator clip did not pull with it. See, that one pulled with it, that one did not. So, and it just tore the plastic through. So that's not gonna stay now. So we'll see how that sticks. But on the headliner now, I do have the panoramic sunroof. So regular headliner would be a little bit easier, but if you see right there, there's one clip, it's just a magnet. There's a clip right there, you see the white one? There's another one on that side. And then in here, there's Velcro right here. The plastic sticks to it. Pull that down. See that black piece right there? That is for the coat hanger thing. That is a, where's my bit here? That is a T20. To remove that, you just got to pull a little tab back in the middle. That actually goes out. T20, and then just pull that down. Now, you can see, well, I'm hoping I can get the camera in there. Like I said, I'm not trying to take apart more than I have to. Okay, so this is right on the edge, right? How I brought you in on the corner. And that silver piece, that bolt, is the antenna. So you just have to unbolt it. It's 10 millimeter. And then the cord, there's a clip right there that they're connected. And they come back in and plug in right there. Those are the 2 plugs for them. So you just unplug them. Of course, undo the bolt, and then this will pop up out of the top. And to get this on, I just super glued it for now. 3M wouldn't hold, so it wasn't open. But cords, bolt, pull this off, and then the new one, put this through. Then put the bolt back in, plug it back in, put it all back together. So let's go ahead and get that one. So for the bolt, I have this to be able to get to it, be able to use the drill, and then I'm gonna do the bolt first, then unplug the wires, pull it out, and we're done. So you look, it goes back on, perfect. I'm just happy that's done. Like I said, we're supposed to get them storms tonight, so it couldn't have worked out. Now, I will say it took me about an hour and a half to do this, but if I had the right tool in the first place, it wouldn't have taken as long. So let me explain. So when you're going in here, inside the inside the cab, underneath the headliner. So like I said, that bolt is right around here. And if you don't have the sunroof, it's not going to be as bad. So the frame, the plastic, hard plastic frame inside the headliner that you saw earlier in the video, I couldn't get that socket in between the bolt and that plastic frame for the sunroof. Because of that, could only use a wrench, so that's why it took so long. It was really irritating getting the first one off. To put the new one back in, I said screw it, ran down to O'Reilly's quick and grabbed a 10mm ratcheting wrench. So it took me to get that one back in maybe 3 minutes. It's actually not that hard. And for the clip here, I just popped the alligator clip back out and put it back on the tab, and you see, we're good to go. Seal's back on, everything looks hunky-dory. Can't even tell I did anything again. So that's how you change the antennas on the roof, or remove them to replace it with, I seen a post on one of the Super Duty Facebook pages the other day that a gentleman was trying to put on some big aftermarket box. I think it was something about Wi-Fi. But he wanted to remove the antenna to do that, but he wasn't sure if he could. It would be the same for both sides. I did also see things online about where the driver's side, so this would be the driver's side, right? That the driver's side antenna is for their over-the-air updates, and the passenger side is for the satellite radio. However, when I ran into O'Reilly's, obviously this one was already out, and satellite radio didn't work. So I don't know. I read it on one of the forums, which usually there is good info on the forums. I don't know if it's just changed for 23 sometime in the middle, or obviously the dude was wrong. Either way, driver's side is for the satellite radio on the 23 at least. But that was it. Everything's back to normal, and hopefully we actually do get the storms now, since this truck's actually sealed. So now the only thing left to fix is the light bar bolt. Should have remembered to grab that while I was at O'Reilly's, because I looked through, of course, anybody that works on anything, you always have the box of extra nuts and bolts from randomness. I don't have one that's gonna fit, so should have grabbed it while I was there. Guess I'll make another trip to get that corrected. The more I look at it, the more it's bugging me. But that's it. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, comment.